Siguro for being a mentee and intern, it's very important na nag-a-align kayo nung mentor mo.
Mm.
Like, for example, if you're looking for a mentor, you should make sure na same kayo ng path. So like for example, if you want to be a UI UX designer, much better if your mentor is also a UI UX designer or someone who's working in that path. Kasi mas makukuha mo yung answers or like mas makukuha mo yung insights kung anong ginagawa nila sa industry na yon. Kasi 'di ba, saan ka pa ba pwedeng mag-ask ng questions kung ano na yung ginagawa kapag nagwo-work? Syempre dito sa mga professionals and sa mentors natin, right? Kasi sila na yung may experience, sila na yung nagwo-work, and sila na yung may alam kung anong nangyayari sa industry. So much better if you ask and ask lang. That's the like most important, guys. It's important to ask. Like wag kang mahiya, just ask kasi wala namang mawala sa iyo. You lose nothing if you start asking.